Hi everyone, welcome to Data Legos. I'm Naveen Kumar Gunapanini, and here you'll find deployment concepts explained in the simplest way possible. Today we are going to learn about environments and verification. My goal is to make every topic easy to understand, so you feel confident applying it in the real world. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover in this module. First, we'll start with checking UI availability, making sure the website or app loads correctly and users can interact with it. Next, we'll move to API health endpoints, verifying that the backend is alive, responding properly, and connected to the database. Then, we'll look at database connectivity, testing if data can be safely stored and retrieved, because without a working database, nothing else matters. Finally, we'll wrap up with the key takeaways, a simple 3-step health check you can always rely on after deployment. Alright, let's dive into the first one, checking UI availability. After deployment, we can't just assume everything works fine. We must confirm the application is healthy across all 3 layers, the UI, the API, and the database. Checking UI availability. The first layer is the UI, the user interface. Here, we check if the website or app loads correctly and whether users can perform basic actions like logging in, clicking menus, or browsing pages. For example, after deployment, open the Flipkart homepage. Do banner images load properly? Do product listings appear? This step ensures the app is visually accessible and functional for users. API health endpoints. The second layer is the API. Most modern applications expose health check URLs like /health or /status. For example, hitting https://api.uber.com/health should return a 200 OK response, confirm that the database is connected, show the app version, and even uptime. This tells us that the backend is alive and running as expected. Database connectivity. The third layer is the database. Even if the UI loads and APIs respond, the app is useless if the database is broken. So we check if the app can actually read and write data. For example, try signing up a new user. Is the information stored in the database? Can you fetch it back? If not, the app may look fine on the outside but will fail completely behind the scenes. So here are the key takeaways. Always use multiple environments, local, dev, staging, and production, for safe deployments. After deployment, verify across all 3 layers, UI, API, and database. And finally, enable observability, things like logs, metrics, and alerts so you can detect issues early, before users even notice. In short, verification is a 3-step health check: UI loads, API alive, and DB working. Thanks for watching. Party Popper. Verification may sound simple, but it's the difference between smooth deployments and midnight firefighting. Let's catch up in the next module, where we'll dive even deeper into observability and monitoring tools. And don't forget, hit subscribe on Data Legos for smarter, simpler tech learning. See you in the next one.